Hello everyone, welcome to the Military Summary channel. Military trucks play an important role in armed forces around the world, serving as transportation for soldiers, carrying heavy loads, and providing platforms for mounting weapons. Today, we present the 10 most extraordinary military trucks globally. 1. Rheinmetall HX3. Developed by German company Rheinmetall, the HX3 series is an advanced, future-proof military truck designed for logistics and tactical missions. This technology offers increased situational awareness, frontline deployment, and increased survivability. Available in configurations ranging from 4x4 to 10x10, the HX3 offers a gross weight of between 38 and 50 tons, operating in temperatures from -32 to 49 degrees Celsius. The truck features a new integrated armored cab with improved ergonomics for increased protection against threats. 2. Titus Tactical Infantry Transport and Utility System. Launched by Nexter Systems, Titus is a modular armored wheeled vehicle exhibited at the International Defense Equipment and Security Exhibition in 2013. This multi-purpose armored vehicle can accommodate 3 crew members and 10 soldiers, providing level 2 to 4 ballistic protection. Last generation modular armor, Titus can mount multiple remote control weapon stations based on mission requirements. 3. VLRA 4x4 Multi-Role Troop Carrier. A member of the VLRA family by ACMAT, a subsidiary of Renault Trucks Defense. This 4-wheeled tactical truck excels in reconnaissance, escort and support duties. With the capacity to carry 12 soldiers in the compartment and 2 in the cabin, the VLRA truck can be armed with a 7.62 mm light machine gun and a 12.7 mm machine gun, thereby increasing its military capabilities. 4. KAMAZ 6350. Representing one of the largest trucks in the KAMAZ range, the KAMAZ 6350 heavy utility truck, which entered service with the Russian Army in 2002, boasts a conventional yet rugged design. With a payload capacity of 16 tons, this ship can tow trailers or artillery with a maximum weight of 12 tons, equipped with equipment for transporting standard removable containers. 5. FMTV, Medium Tactical Vehicle Family. Developed by Oshkosh Defense for the U.S. Army Combat Support Initiative, the Medium Tactical Vehicle family serves a variety of mission needs, from troop transport to disabled vehicle recovery. Featuring enhanced crew protection, the FMTV is powered by a Caterpillar C7 heavy-duty diesel engine, offering a top speed of 85 miles per hour and a range of more than 300 miles. 6. Tatra T815-7. Manufactured by the Czech company Tatra since 2008, the Tatra 815-7 is a heavy army logistics vehicle designed for challenging terrain and environmental conditions. With axle variations from 4x4 to 10x10, it has a maximum load capacity of 7,800 kilograms and is capable of towing artillery or trailers with a maximum weight of 20 tons. 7. Steyr 12M18. Introduced in 1985, the Steyr 12M18 military truck served a variety of roles, including artillery tractor, cargo hauler, ambulance, and more. Delivering more than 2,000 units to the Austrian Army, the aircraft has a maximum payload capacity of 5,200 kilograms and offers adaptability to a wide range of military tasks. 8. Arcus Armis 6x6. Launched on Arcus Day, the Arcus Armis 6x6 is a high-performance military truck built on a dedicated military base, incorporating proven civilian technology. With its specially raised and hardened chassis, it excels in off-road mobility, offering protection options such as a ballistic cab and mine resistance according to Stanag 4569. 9. Foden drops. Developed for the British Army, the Foden D-mountable rack offload and pickup system has an 8x6 configuration. Originally designed to supply ammunition to 155mm self-propelled howitzers, it is a multi-purpose logistics support vehicle capable of carrying up to 15 tons of pallet storage and towing a long wheelbase trailer. Gelks 442 Bartek. Manufactured by the Polish company Jelks, the Gelks 442 or Bartek is a purpose-built military vehicle designed with simplicity in both technology and design in mind. Featuring an integrated lightly armored cabin, the aircraft provides protection against 7.62mm NATO rounds, with the option for additional armor. The truck's maximum road speed is electronically limited to 53 miles per hour. All friends, thanks for watching. Write in the comments which are the trucks you like the most. Also click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos.